So we're doing Scratch to Arduino using S2A_FM. And we're reproducing the ARDX series of circuits for learning. We have our SparkFun Inventors Kit. It's a few years old. I don't know if it's available in the same way these days. But we've reproduced the Arduino code here in Scratch thanks to the toolkit. So let's demonstrate our first part of the circuit, which is this really long one that will just turn on the loops, the lights, one after another. So I get looking at the camera and not the screen. There we go, one after another. And then we did the simple thing, change our broadcast to one after another, but with the loop. So instead of all of those single instructions, we just do a loop of instructions, looping through, turning them all on, looping through, turning them all off. So it's, again, it should just appear the same as the last one, if I can. Oh, except we modified it a bit because we were having fun, and we made it then go off in the other direction. And then on one at a time is the code down here. So it turns it on, turns it off, turns it on, turns it off, turns it on, turns it off. Simple stuff. And the challenge after that one, I believe, was the in and out. So this is my son's version of the in and out that we created himself. So let's see what it's going to do. So the old school parents will recognize this as the kit bar. There were red lights instead of yellow, but we only had 6 reds handy and we had 10 yellows. We used it. Alright, so challenge now from the ARDX is to make your own additional animations. And my son added an extra version of the in and out. And this is his in and out, which he calls out and in, coming from the middle and going to the outside instead. Good luck with your Scratch to Arduino. So here we changed around our program a bit, so we had on-screen versions of the LEDs that matched the physical LEDs. So we thought that was kind of fun. So we created a couple of blocks. So we added this stuff in, and then we also added another sprite here, which has some code cloning itself and figuring out which pin it is and turning itself its costume.